Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make chocolate cake sandwich, which is very easy to make. First take a mixing bowl, add 2 eggs which has a room temperature, 1/3 cup of sugar and beat until it has a foamy consistency for 2 to 3 minutes. And then add 1 tablespoon of oil plus half tablespoon of vanilla essence and then again beat it for 10 to 15 seconds. After beating for a while, your foamy consistency should look like this. Then add half cup of chocolate premix and then sieve them all well. Now mix them gently with folding method. And make no lumps batter. You can see that our no lumps batter is ready. Now pour the batter in the greased mold. For a chocolate cake sandwich, you guys need a square shaped mold or a rectangle shaped mold for equal sizes. And then tap it 2 to 3 times so that the lumps are out. Now bake it for preheated pan for 15 to 20 minutes. And then after 20 minutes, open the lid and insert a toothpick inside the cake. If the peak comes clean, it means the cake is baked well. Now take it out from the hot pan and wait for it to cool down completely. Then take another mixing bowl, add 1/3 cup of whipped cream which is chilled. And then beat it until it has a foamy consistency for 2 to 3 minutes. Now our cream frosting is ready. Now demold the cake and cut it into slices. You can see how thin it is, but even though we are slicing it, since we are following the cake rules. So we are making a cake sandwich, so that's why we are making it into 2 pieces. Now take a piece of cake and then add whipped frosting. So the first layer is going to be chocolate cake, the second layer whipped cream, and the third layer chocolate cake. That's how a sandwich becomes. And then we are going to cut it into equal triangle pieces. After cutting it, we are going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we are going to serve it. You guys can also refrigerate it without cutting it, and if you do that, then your cake will cut smoothly and it will be very perfect. You can now see that our cake sandwich is ready. It is very tasty and also it is very creamy. If you guys want to try it, you guys can try it. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.